Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. My next DIY is I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I got four of it. I got four pieces of it, and actually I have another four because I wanted, and I also got this paper placemat, Christmas placemat. And my project that I'm gonna do for this one is I'm going to make a throw pillow out of this, and saw I will sew this poppy stuffed Christmas characters on this pillow, and it's gonna be a throw pillow. So once I'm done, I'm gonna show you the finished product. Hello! Here is my finished project. The stuffed toy from the Dollar Tree that I made into a pillow. So that's how. This is the pillow, and this is the, what do you call this? This is the placemat that you got from the Dollar Tree. Then I made it into a pillow. What I did here is I just glued it down here because it's so hard if I saw it, and I am not very good in sewing. So but the stuffed toy I did sew it in the placemat. These are placemat from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so that's how it turned out, guys. There, I hope you could see it. My Dollar Tree stuffed toy pillow. Okay, I hope you like it, guys. I'll be showing this to you in a good view so that you'll see it. Thank you.